Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel AI Stories by Anjali. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the topic LLAMA Index. So till now, we have discussed a lot of topic in our generative AI series. So in the last weeks, we have discussed about RAG and how RAG works and what is the architecture for RAG model. So today we will be discussing about the LLAMA Index. So many people have been watching my series and they have been expanding their knowledge about the generative AI series. So this is one of the fundamental topic for developing generative AI applications. It also helps you to make your tasks very easily. So let us dive deep into the video. So before going to that, I would like to thank to all my subscribers who have subscribed to my YouTube channel and also requesting to the new watchers to please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel AI Stories by Anjali. And also please tap the bell icon for the latest notifications. So let us dive deep into the video. So what is LLAMA index? Firstly, the LLAMA index word consists of two different words. That is LLAMA, second one is index. So LLAMA is nothing but the framework name. So index means the simple meaning, that is the native English meaning for a word index is it helps you to identify a particular topic, that is to extract the particular topic. For example, if there is a textbook, so whenever you want to search for a particular topic, you can simply go to the index and see where this particular topic is, that is the page number of that particular topic, and you can easily go and search for that particular topic in that particular page number. So in this way, you can extract the information what is present in the textbook. Similarly, whenever you are building a generative AI applications, in order to build a generative applications, the initial step is you will prepare a knowledge base. In doing that, you have to make sure whatever the data that you want to keep into the knowledge base. So during the time, there is a purpose like you have to do your data integration from the different sources. There is no such point like where everything is will be present at one place, right? So at that point of time, you can easily use this LLAMA index for data ingestion as well as data extraction. So that is the main purpose of LLAMA index. So I hope you completely understand my definition, but we'll slowly discuss step by step. So basically, it is an orchestration framework for integrating your private data as well as public data whenever you're dealing with LLM applications. So you can perform data ingestion or data integration or orchestration, which is nothing but similar, okay? And indexing. Indexing means you can retrieve, okay? And also for querying means you can get some input to, like you can give some input and you can get the response back. So these are the main fundamental things about LLAMA index. So what exactly the LLAMA index is, I hope you understand this. So there are challenges whenever you're using private data with LLMs. The best that is the main challenge is that you often deals with different types of data. That is, some might be like structured data, some might be unstructured data, some may be some semi-structured data. So all these things need to be understood, like need to be converted into the LLM understandable format, but that is very difficult to do so. So you can use this LLAMA index for any type of data and you can simply make your knowledge base ready with the help of this framework. That's the main advantages of LLAMA index. So I will say a simple example. So whenever initially the databases came, there are different types of databases. First, you deal with hierarchical model. Second, then RDBMS came into picture. That is, RDBMS consists of only the data in the form of rows and columns, right? And then after that, there are NoSQL databases came. Now the big data is coming. So now for LLMs, you need the vector databases. That means everything is in the form of vectors, that is mathematical values. So in order to make this particular thing, you have to like you are dealing with different types of data which is already existed. That means text data or some data which is in the form of rows and columns, etc. So for making this knowledge base, whenever you're extracting data from these different types of databases, in order to make your database ready, so for each kind of thing you have to write a separate code for conversion. So that takes a lot of time, right? So and also whenever there is lot of data, it takes lot of time for extracting purpose also. So all these things can be reduced and can be optimized using this LLAMA index. So that's the main advantages of LLAMA index. Okay, so and also the best versatile solution whenever you're dealing with LLM applications in the enterprise field, this is the best possible way to do, because it helps you to save lot of cost as well as money. Okay, so why LLAMA index? So basically there are many kind of scenarios whenever you're dealing with real world data. You have to extract the data from multiple sources, and these sources might be different types as well as different way. That means some might be public data, some might be private data, etc., etc. So all these things can be easily optimized using this particular LLAMA index. Okay, and also the one of the main important advantage of this LLAMA index is embeddings. So I hope this word came a lot many times in our videos. I hope you understand the meaning of embedding, but those people who haven't watched, again I'm telling. So embeddings means you need to convert the text data into the mathematical number forms. That means the vector values. So whenever you're doing like such kind of things, there are different ways of doing so. That means there are word embeddings and there are libraries, etc., etc. for doing. And recently also I have shown you different applications in our video. Like there are embeddings which you can use by OpenAI, etc., and also Bird, etc. There are some default models which are already developed, like text embedding, hyphen EDA 1, 2 versions, etc., etc., right? So all these things can be done, but you can do embeddings in using this LLAMA index framework also. So that's the main advantage of using LLAMA index. So you can not only perform data ingestion, but also you can do querying, you can also do indexing, and also you can do embeddings. So what are the main benefits of LLAMA index? So basically, as we discussed it, you can easily do data ingestion by connecting to the existing data sources like APIs, PDF, SQL databases, NoSQL databases, documents, etc. And also it helps you to index your private data, and you can easily use that data across various applications using this LLMs. And the best important thing is you have built-in query interface. So means you no need to develop an interface again with some specialized code like using HTML, etc. There is a built-in query interface in this framework where you can directly input your particular query and you can get the response from the query where you are dealing with this LLM or generative AI applications. So that's a main advantage. Okay, so you can save some time as well as cost here. So what are the use cases of this LLAMA index? So there are various use cases. Some of the use cases are like you can develop the natural language chatbots with real-time data knowledge bases set up using this LLAMA index, and you can also make some real-world decisions using this particular LLAMA index. And also you can have real world interactions. That is, whenever you want to interact a particular natural language or text data, directly talk to the human, you can do that, such kind of applications. And also you can simply augment your public data as well as the private data, and you can make them engaged as and prepare a databases where easily you can enhance your built-in application performance and also the speed, etc., using this LLAMA index. So these are some of the use cases, and of course there are many use cases. Like whenever you're dealing with generative AI or LLM applications, if you have a need of integrating multiple data sources, and if you want to have a built-in query interface, and if you want to do easily and simple indexing when there is more input sources, then you can simply use this LLAMA index framework for developing. I hope you understand this video. So in the next video, we will discuss how LLAMA index works. So that means the architecture for the LLAMA index. So please follow this channel so that you can get some insights about generative AI topics, etc. So I hope you understand this video. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.